Today, I am giving you a tour of 44152 West Cydnee Drive in Maricopa, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Maricopa with a private pool. Inside, you'll find a bright, comfortable layout with tile flooring throughout the main living areas. The eat-in kitchen features stainless steel appliances, ample cabinet space, and a center island for additional prep space. Outside is where this home really shines. The low-maintenance backyard features artificial turf and a covered patio. A sparkling private pool completes the space, making it the perfect place to cool off during the Arizona summer. Just off the kitchen is the laundry room, complete with a washer, dryer, and extra storage. If you're looking for comfort, convenience, and great outdoor living, this Maricopa home is ready to impress. So if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The bedrooms feature ceiling fans for added comfort, as well as soft carpet. To wrap up the tour, here is the spacious primary bedroom with a full bathroom. Schedule a tour today.